I'm gonna enjoy this.
Okay, that one doesn't hurt. Ah!
I got this for PR box. Today, I wanna do product review unboxing. Got this PR box. It's called Voxbox from Influencer. So if you're not a member yet and you want to get like a free beauty box to review, then you can get a PR box from them. So how it works, it's basically like random, to be honest. I think it's so random that my first Voxbox was like there was a lotion, there was a dry shampoo, and the funny part was I got stuff for a dog, and I don't even have a dog. So but I mean, I'm thankful because I gave it away to my aunt's dog, but still, you can tell that it's random, right? So this is what it looks like. Isn't the box so amazing? So Joah is actually a beauty a cosmetic company exclusively for CVS. So this is what I basically am getting, and they're all full size. So I already looked at this and I saw like all of them were full size. So I'm really shocked. This is my first time that everything is actually a beauty product. So I got a makeup wipes, not just one piece, makeup wipes. And then I got a setting spray, and then I got a gold peel off mask. So this is one I'm gonna be using tonight. This one, a charcoal one. So this is also a peel off mask. So this company is actually a K Beauty, like I said, exclusive at CVS. So yeah, I think they're actually, for a drugstore price, I think the prices are not that cheap. But you saw my video, I'm gonna link that below too, my video how to save in CVS. Girl, you can get these products like almost free as well. So this one is deep cleansing, exfoliating, and pore minimizing. That sounds like a good one to use before I use my makeup. And this one tightens, firms, lifts, and detoxify. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna use, and I think I'm just gonna use this tomorrow. Let's start. The package, it feels like it's it's a little expensive. It's actually pretty cool. Isn't that right? It looks pretty. It is actually 75 grams in this. Let's see. Come on. There's a safety seal. Oh my gosh, where did my brain go? Let's do this. Wow, it really looks like gold. Okay, where is my brush? Hold on. Okay, so I can't find it. I do have like a face mask brush, but I can't find it. It has a smell. It kind of smells good, but the longer it stays, it kind of smells like nail polish. So it says avoid eyebrows, hairlines, and lips. I think this would have been a lot easier if I actually had my brush. Do I look like a golden statue now? See you in 20 minutes. So I don't know how to take this off. Seriously, it's on my face.
Mask?
Yeah.
Let me take it off. Wait, let me take it off.
I have a feeling this is like.
Is it a wash? There you go, got it.
I think this is like.
It's not a mask.
It's gonna hurt. It's gonna be painful.
Oh, I'm gonna enjoy this. Hi. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy this.
Okay, that one doesn't hurt. Ah! That one hurts. Pucha, mapapayak na ako na hindi oras dito ah.
What is this?
It's that free mask from the PR packs
That's why
that I
it's
got.
free.
That's why it's free.
Well, it feels good, ah. The skin feels good.
Oh yeah. It feels good because it took out your skin. Aray. My goodness. So cute.
Why? Wala akong nakakita.
I look like a golden
Gold
statue.
I thought you were doing makeup.
Golden makeup. Wow. This is also an Insta wax. Multi-purpose. Ow! Oh shoot! Ow! You know, this is the part where it actually really hurts. Okay, you gotta make sure you don't put it close to where you have hair. It's very, very hard to take it off. It's super sticky. I should say it like that. It's super sticky. It feels like it got stuck on my skin, and when she was pulling it, oh, it's painful. But you know what? My skin feels so good, so good. I feel like, like I said, it's an Insta wax. All my hair and probably my blackheads are all in it. Look it. My face looks good. I like that. Alright, you guys. I'm using this. It's the setting spray. It's a dewy. So since I'm dry face, this is perfect.
Whoa, whoa!
Oh. Okay, let's see how good that's gonna stay.
Oh, I don't know the
I'm gonna go to a club and dance and get sweaty, and we'll see if it's gonna help. Okay? Hi. So I got home last night and totally forgot to clean my face. So I fell asleep with my makeup on. But so look at that. It's still there. Even like the foundation and concealer is still there. So you know, I went to the club last night, and yeah, I would say that I was super sweaty and everything, and yeah, that setting spray, I'll say it's really good. My face was still dewy. It wasn't like the dewy kind where it looks like, you know, it's just wet and oily. That kind. It wasn't even like that. It was like really pretty. My makeup was like really pretty. Mascara is it's still in there. So let's use the wipes. Okay, so there's like 36 pieces of wipes in there, and it smells good. See? And foundation is still there. Let's do that first. I mean, it's not that much anymore because of course I fell asleep in it. So far, feels good. I don't know if this is gonna burn my eyes because there's some wipes that burns my eyes, and this is one of them that feels like it's good. It's pretty good. I'm still using the same wipes. Look at the difference, the other one. I can use one whole one for like the whole thing. It's still not burning my eyes. It feels good. My face looks clean. Okay, the wipe just touched my eyeball, and it still didn't burn my eyes. So I'm okay with this. I like it. I'm going to use this one now. This is the charcoal one. It also has the same weight, the 75 grams, and this one is for deep cleansing, exfoliating, and pore minimizing. You know how I initially said I'm gonna use it before I put on my makeup? I didn't have time yesterday when I went out, so I didn't use it. I'm just gonna use it right now. Hey Bess. Okay, so this is my final thoughts about the Voxbox that I got from Influenster. I just want to say thank you for choosing me, for giving me the Voxbox. Joah, thank you as well for the products. And Influencer, thank you so much. Like, I got 4 products. Let's see, we can start with the setting spray. The setting spray was awesome. I loved it. It was dewy setting spray, and it really did help my face to look fresh and moistured. So my makeup stayed on for, and I even went to sleep and it was still there when I wake up. So that was awesome. I love that. I definitely recommend that. And then I got 2 masks. One was the gold one, and then one was the charcoal one. The gold face mask, it was good. After, you know, putting it on, it was kind of hard, just because it was super sticky, and it was hard for me because I didn't have my my brush, the face mask brush. Just the application itself was kind of hard, but then as you saw in the video, it was also hard to take it out. And when my roommate was pulling it, it was actually hurting me. So the wipes actually took out that waterproof mascara, so that was really amazing. It looks like the wipes was just a regular, you know, makeup wipes, and it actually took out the waterproof mascara, so that was really amazing. So I definitely recommend that as well. And it smells good. It didn't sting my eyes, so that's superb right there, because usually when you get like cheap wipes, they tend to like burn your eyes. So not this one. So that's it. Thank you so much again from Influencer, and Joah, thank you. I appreciate the Voxbox, and hopefully you choose me again next time.